Its mystery began long before human hands, born in the heart of dying stars. This essay will trace gold's long shimmering tale. We'll explore why it became the symbol of wealth, power, and divinity. We'll see how its properties suited crowns of pharaohs and the circuits inside your phone. The story is about more than value. It's about essence, how something so rare and so resistant to decay could grip our world. From its violent stellar birth to vaults of modern banks, we'll uncover gold's enduring spell. The allure of gold threads through human history. Think of the ancient Egyptians, who called gold the skin of gods and buried pharaohs in golden masks. Consider the Incas, who called gold the sweat of the sun and adorned temples with it. From the Romans to the Aztecs, gold was prized. Its universal pull comes from linking the tangible to the intangible. It stands for eternity, purity, and ultimate value. The value of gold is rooted in scarcity. Iron and copper are abundant. Gold is not. All the gold ever mined would fit into a cube about 22 meters on a side. That rarity made it a precious commodity. When something is desired but hard to find, its value soars. That principle made gold the ultimate store of value for millennia. It is wealth you can hold in your hand, a heavy, reassuring presence in hard times, a silent promise of security that outlasts currencies and empires. Long before the rise of great empires, our distant ancestors first encountered gold in its most natural and accessible form. They found it gleaming in riverbeds, in shallow streams, like a captured piece of the sun lying coolly in the water. Unlike other stones, it needed no breaking, no refining to show its beauty. Its warm yellow color was immediate, captivating. The earliest uses were simple, decorative. From around 4000 BC in Varna, Bulgaria, archaeologists uncovered gold beads, gold rings, ceremonial gold objects. Gold wasn't used for tools nor for weapons. It was too soft and precious. Instead, it was used for adornment and objects of special significance. Kings wore golden crowns, queens wore golden crowns. Priests and shamans used gold in sacred rituals, believing it connected them to the gods. In ancient Egypt, pharaohs were surrounded by gold in life and in death. Gold became the embodiment of power, eternity, the sacred. Coinage changed everything. Around the 6th century BC, in Lydia, modern Turkey, the first gold coins were minted. Gold moved from a measure of weight to standardized coins. Portable money, universally accepted currency. A king stamp guaranteed aka coins weight and purity. Rarity, durability, divisibility. Aitins Urwikes Edo, ideal for currency. Gold became the bedrock of commerce, a standard of value that fueled trade and helped empires expand. One of gold's most captivating qualities is its unmistakable color and glow. While most metals are a shade of silver or gray, gold possesses a warm, rich yellow hue that is almost unique in the periodic table. This distinct color comes from the way its electrons absorb certain wavelengths of light. This natural warmth makes it feel alive, like a piece of captured sunlight. Furthermore, gold has a brilliant luster, a way of reflecting light that gives it a deep, soft shine rather than a harsh glare. This gentle glow has been associated with divinity, royalty, creating an emotional connection that other metals simply cannot replicate. It looks precious because it is precious. Perhaps gold's most chemically significant trait is its inertness. Gold is a noble metal, which means it is extremely resistant to corrosion, rust, tarnish. Unlike silver, which darkens, or iron, which rusts away into dust, gold remains unchanged for millennia. A golden treasure pulled from a shipwreck after centuries at the bottom of the sea will shine as brightly as the day it was lost. This incorruptibility is why ancient cultures saw it as a symbol of eternity, immortality. They correctly observed that gold does not decay. This chemical stability is not just symbolic, it is also highly practical, making gold a reliable material for things that must last, from dental fillings to critical electronic components. Beyond its beauty and stability, gold is also a phenomenal conductor of electricity. It allows electrical current to flow through it with very little resistance. While silver is a slightly better conductor, gold has a crucial advantage. It does not tarnish. In the microscopic world of modern electronics, even a tiny amount of corrosion on a connector can disrupt a signal and cause a device to fail. Because gold conducts reliably and never corrodes, it is the perfect material for coding critical connection points inside computers, smartphones, aerospace technology. Tiny, almost invisible amounts of gold are working inside the devices you use every day, ensuring that they function flawlessly for years. The combination of these properties makes gold uniquely versatile. Its beautiful, unchanging color makes it the ultimate material for jewelry art. Its resistance to decay makes it a permanent store value. Its excellent conductivity and reliability make it essential for high-end technology. No other single element brings together this exact mix of beauty, permanence, and utility. Gold is not just valuable because it is rare, it is valuable because its fundamental physical and chemical nature makes it perfectly suited for the roles that humanity has assigned to it throughout history. Gold is famously soft, a pronom ukens not manch, a property known as malleability. It is the most malleable of all metals. A single ounce of gold, pounds of seco, about the size of a sugar cube, can be beaten into an incredibly thin sheet that can cover nearly 100 square feet. That translucent sheet is gold leaf and is dose, so thin that light can pass through it, giving a faint greenish glow. Artisans have used this to gild entire statues, palace domes, picture frames. Closely related to softness is gold's ductility, its ability to be drawn out into a thin wire. That same ounce can be stretched into a wire over 50 miles long. Combined with excellent conductivity, that makes gold vital in electronics. Craftsmen weave golden threads into luxurious fabrics or create intricate filigree jewelry. But in stark contrast, gold is incredibly heavy. This property is known as density. A bar of gold is much heavier than most metals of the same size, about 19.3 times denser than water. If you fill a 1 liter milk carton with water, it weighs 1 kilogram. Fill that same carton with powdered gold, and it would weigh over 19 kilograms, about 42 pounds. That surprising heft is obvious when you hold even a small piece of gold. That density contributes to its perception of value. Weight feels solid and inherently valuable. The soft but heavy paradox is one of gold's great traits. Softness lets gold be easily worked and stamped into coins and shaped into beautiful objects. That made gold ideal for early currency. Weight could be verified. A counterfeiter could match the right size, but would struggle to match the correct weight without an equally dense metal. That physical assurance helped secure gold's place as trusted wealth for thousands of years. The gold we hold in our hands and store in our vaults was not made on Earth. To find the origin of gold, we must look far beyond our world, into the violent and explosive depths of space. The story of gold begins inside massive stars, many times larger than our own sun. These stars fuse lighter elements into heavier ones, but even stellar furnaces are not powerful enough to create elements as heavy as gold. One way gold is created is during a supernova. Even more spectacular, the collision of two neutron stars, Incan, a kilonova forges vast quantities of heavy elements, creating far more gold than even a supernova can. Scattered across the galaxy, this gold-rich dust clumped into a disk that formed our sun and planets. Later, asteroid bombardment peppered Earth's crust with accessible gold. So, every piece of gold, from a wedding ring to a coin, is a tiny fragment of an ancient exploded star, a physical reminder of our planet's and our universe's violent and, beautiful history.